Okay, so this is a vlog of the channel update and what we're going to be doing for the next few videos, what's been going on, and what we've been doing for the past 4 months. So we tested the long fall boot and you really tested it on around 3 feet, but we leaked all the CO2 out, so now we're making a direct line to an air tank so we don't have to use CO2, which is going to be a lot cheaper for the channel. We plan on doing some shop fix-ups, so I'm gonna like put black tarp underneath the workbench so it looks better. Probably gonna get some better lighting, maybe some better camera equipment. Like I want to get a uh, mic system because I have to kind of yell whenever I'm doing videos. This channel that I'm putting this on is kind of just the bloopers and extras. I hope that any other times that I need to post, I can just post them on here. The next video is either going to be the test or that it's going to be the second to next video because I've started making another project and I started a P.O. box which you guys can send me fan mail. I'll list that in the description below. And I'm going to be getting some more gear for the shop soon, and I hope it'll make making projects go a lot faster. Tell me if you guys like this vlog type, because I really am not sure if I'm actually going to post this, because I don't know how I feel about vlogging. That's all I've got for you today. Hope you guys like this video, and please leave down in the comments below if you want me to do more like this, and feel free to check out Inventing Things Extra, it's kind of funny. Okay, have a good day, bye.